gift than love.
There's a hero if you look inside your heart. You don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul.
What Vikings? It's an occupational
And the
hazard.
sorrow that you know will melt away.
Every time you step outside, disaster follows. Why can't you follow the simplest orders?
I can't stop myself. You know, it's who I am, Dad. Sorry.
Stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
He taught me what a Viking could do, Gobber. He could crush mountains, level forests, tame seas. Hiccup is not that boy.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
You throwing your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold. You can find love if you search within yourself, and the emptiness you felt will disappear. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you.
Dad, if Drago's coming for our dragons, we can't wait around for him to get here. Let's go find him and change his mind.
Some minds won't be changed, Hiccup. A chief protects his own.
People are not capable of change, Hiccup. Some of us were just born different.
He will take down their alpha.
Have my dragon ready when I return, or I will destroy everything you love.
I will never give him up.
What are you gonna do?
Put an end to this. I have to try.
He who controls the Alpha controls them all. Witness true strength. Strength of will over others. In the face of it, you are nothing.
You are nothing without your dragon.
You don't have to go up there.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard.
Lord knows dreams are hard to follow, but don't let anyone tear them away. Hold on, there will be tomorrow. In time, you'll find the way.
can do this. And me. As one. The Alpha protects them all. A chief protects his own.
I'm proud to call you my son.
The chief has come home!